look very carefully. Just check this video. Just look am very carefully. You go understand wetin dey really happen for here. Na ant o. Na ant na im dey work so. You see am now, they dey save for dry season. Look the video well, you go see am. Na ant. See as they dey gather food. Na bone wey dey carry like that dey go. Ma zoom the video so that you go see am well. See am, na ant. Na ant. They dey save for dry season. They dey save. They dey hustle like this. Na hustle they dey hustle so. They dey save now. You know say now the season dry now. Nobody knows wetin go happen for rainy season. Whether rain go fall throughout the year. Na im make you see them so. See am, they dey drag the bone. Then dey many, they dey about 5 ants carry that big bone dey waka so. I go zoom am well so that I go understand wetin I dey talk. See am. See am. I don zoom am well. See am. You see am say na ant. Una see am say na ant dey hustle so. Na ant o. See am. I don zoom am well. Una dey see am. Na ant na im dey hustle like this. Na ant.